materials and their properties. So, let us discuss the different properties of different materials. As we use different materials in our daily life, we should understand about the properties which they have. So, dear students, the first property is about metallic luster. We can also say appearance. Materials usually look different from each other. For example, sand looks very different from wood. Wood appear different from plastic, and plastic looks different from aluminium. And aluminium is different from copper or iron. So there are different properties of different materials, but still there are some properties which some materials have in common. And maybe there are some properties in metals which differentiate them from the other substances like wood. The first property is metallic luster. Some metals have metallic luster that is shine on them, for example gold, silver, while some like wood they do not have any kind of luster. Next thing is about hardness and softness of the material. There are some materials that cannot be compressed and they scratch easily. They are hard examples like iron and copper, while some material they appear smooth on touching, for example glass. Next is about smooth and rough surfaces. So dear students, material which can be pressed easily are called soft substances, while some other material which cannot be pressed they are called the hard materials. For example, cotton is soft while wood or iron is hard substance. So on the basis of these properties we have different materials. Next property is about solubility. Solubility, what do you understand by the term solubility? The extent to which something dissolves in any liquid, that is called the solubility. And the substances that are dissolved in water, they are called the soluble substances. We have different substances around us, and out of these substances some substances may be soluble and some may be insoluble. So solubles are defined as the substances that dissolve in water, they are called the soluble, and the substances that do not dissolve in water, they are called insoluble substances. This was about the solid substances. Now let us talk about the liquids. So there are some liquids which dissolve in water and there are liquids which do not dissolve in water. We classify them as miscible and immiscible liquids. Miscible liquids are those liquids which mix well with water, which dissolve in water. That is why we call them miscible liquids. While the substances or the liquids which do not mix well with water, they are called immiscible in water. And when it comes to the solubility of gases in water, the solubility of gases in water is very less. Some gases are soluble in water while some are not. Usually water contains small quantity of gases like oxygen, that is in dissolved state, and plants and animals that live in water use that dissolved oxygen for their survival.